Hi YouTube, I'm going to take you through how you can be able to submit your website to the Google Search Console. This helps whereby whenever you upload your website to the Google Search Console, it analyzes your statistics and also helps you to be able to develop your site such that it is driving traffic to your website. Before I get into this video, remember to subscribe to our channel. On my PC, I'll go into my search browser. Because you're submitting to Google, you need to use the Chrome. So here I'm on Google. On the search button, search Google Search Console. Click on the first option, Google Search Console Tools. In order to be able to submit your website to the Google, you need to have made your website to be live. You need to have paid for the domain and the hosting. So I've already done that and my website is live. I'm going to look for my website. Here is my site. This is the website that I'm submitting to the Google. And my Google console have loaded. Click on Start Now. You can see the information under Google Console. Improve your performance on Google search. It helps you help you measure your search traffic and performance, fix issues and make your site shine in the Google search results. You can also optimize your content with the search analytics. So in order to submit, you can do it through these two steps. You can use the domain or you can use the URL prefix. I'll use the URL prefix because it is more easier. So I'll click on the option of the URL prefix. Under the URL prefix, you need to input your URL. I go back to my site and this https/ my domain name is my URL. So I'll type in my site URL. I confirm if it is correct before I proceed. Now my URL is correct. I'll click on continue. It needs to check the verification before it proceeds, so you need to be patient for the process to end. In order to verify the ownership, there is some steps that you need to follow. The recommended verification method is the HTML file upload to your site. So the first step is to download the file that they have given you as option number 1. It is an HTML file. Then the second option is to upload it to your site. So I'll click to download the HTML document. So as you can see, my document is already downloaded. So the next step is to go to where your site files are and upload that file. I'll go to the site that I bought the hosting service. As you can see, this is my cPanel. Then I go under the file manager. That's where the files are. So wait for the file manager to open. Here is my file manager. For most of the case, whenever you're uploading your website, your files are usually located under the public HTML. I'll go into the public HTML. Under this directory, you can see here is my files. I need to upload the file that I downloaded from the process from the Google console and upload it here. So I click upload and select the file. So here is my file, my HTML file. It's already uploaded. Then click go back to confirm the file was uploaded. And as you can see, my file is already uploaded. After you do that, you just need to click verify. As you can see, my ownership verification went through and the verification of the ownership was done. So I need to click on go to property to direct me to the search console. And here's my search console. As you can see on the performance, it is telling me processing data, please check again in a day or so. So I'll come back tomorrow and check the performance of my site. And this is the search console. You can see on the side there is the overview, there is performance, there is the URL inspection, pages, sitemaps, and many other things. And that's how you are able to submit your site to the Google console to be able to monitor your site and give you the statistics of your site. Guys, I hope this video has helped you. If you have any challenge or you like something to be clarified, talk to us in the comment section and I'll see you in our next video.